That is the Baze testing, how it's done, what it's like. I was curious what this was like. They kept targeting me on Instagram just like everything else I bought. Welcome to Shervin Shares, where I share products, services, and experience that help you achieve your peak performance. Today we're talking nutrition. This is called Baze. Your nutrient test kit, the fast 10 to 12 hours. You register the kit, you move around for about 10-15 minutes after waking, you unlock the device, you put it on your arm, you push a button, it collects blood for about 10 minutes. You make sure that it's filled, and then you remove it, you put a Band-Aid on, you put the thing inside this box, and you ship it back. And then they will send you customized nutrition for you. The case for personalized nutrition, Baze. I was very curious to see, hey, am I missing certain kind of nutrients? Can I use this to increase those amounts and help optimize my life? Ideally, you want to eat whole foods rather than taking supplement nutrients, but sometimes you just have to, but whole foods are better, always better. It's not rocket science, it's nutrient science. I feel like I've got a medical laboratory. I think we live in a crazy world where you can now buy kits online and they ship it to you, and you send your blood, your DNA, your urine, and they test you, and then they give you information about your body. What am I doing with my life? I'm learning. They say only do the test Monday to Friday so that way they can get the stuff on time. Cool, let's cut to doing the test with Baze. Test kit, Baze.com. What's in the box? This is the insulator pouch and any other wipes in there. We've got the actual tester kit inside of here. Movements real quick. 100 microliter draw blood collection device, a gauze pad, a Band-Aid, sterile alcohol pad to wipe off with my code on the back. So we got the one that's the return, the one that comes off. If you can pull it out of the tray, voila. One tap blood collection, and you see it, yep. And that's the spot where you want to see red when it's filled. If we can do that. Ooh, there it is. Okay, so there's like a glue stuff on the bottom that will go on my arm. No bacteria on your arm to prevent infection. I will grab the device. I think it goes sideways. Now let's just focus on my biceps, baby. When the green button is soft, it's underway. Once it is, you can let go of the device. You should feel a pinch, but it doesn't hurt. It doesn't hurt my butt. I'm scared. Brian, can you hold my hand while I do this? And breath out. Maybe not enough.
Just push it down.
Ooh, okay, I felt the pinch. It's now soft. So now I just let it be.
Yes.
Okay, it actually did not hurt at all. You know, like when you get a shot or you're getting blood drawn, like that hurts. This just felt like a poke. Okay, so now I just kind of chill here, I think. Scroll through Instagram for 10 minutes. A quick time lapse, 2 to 7 minutes. It is 8:16 a.m. So you should wait up to 10 minutes if it doesn't darken. Oh shit, I think it's fully darkened. That was 4 minutes. But that window has fully darkened to red, and I shaved my arm for this. Peel the device off and wipe away any blood. So I don't know if blood's gonna come squirting out, how this is going to work. This is what it's like peeling it off. Ooh. Okay, so there is some blood. Come on, focus, there it is. So that's the inside device after the blood draw. That's kind of cool. And then, which is interesting, is that it's kind of like stopped bleeding. It like created a circular patch of blood on my arm. I don't even know if I need a Band-Aid, but I'll just put it on. And that is the draw now. Now we take this and we will slide this on. Oh, here we go. And then we pull this piece out. It's creating some heat, so we'll slide this sucker in, seal the top with the tape. We will now put this in the box. I fasted. I stopped eating at 8 p.m. last night. It is currently 8:30 in the morning. I started the test at 8:16. I'm gonna wait for the test results and then I'll share those with you. Oh, hi, Brian. weeks. I'll tell you how long it takes, what it was like. Thanks for watching. Hoping you enjoyed this video. Hit the subscribe and the like button down below. I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Wow, there's a lot of waste that comes with it. Sorry for